Welcome! In front of me I have COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the FFit application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the FFit application on our phone. In the application, let's tap on the device icon. Now you should see the device page for your V31-020C. On this page, scroll down, find the option called Reminder Settings and tap on it. And here tap on the Alarm Reminder. And right here we can set up the alarm clock. To do it, tap on the plus button, like that. Here you can set the hour by swiping up and down, then minutes. And once you're done with setting the time, you can tap on repeat and select on which days the alarm will be repeating. And you can select each day by tapping on the box. Select the days you like. For example, I'm gonna select Monday, Wednesday and Saturday, then tap on determine. And now my alarm will be ringing at 11:32 and on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays. Once you're done customizing your alarm, tap on save. And here we have it. And we can have up to 5 alarms, as you can see. We can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switch. And if you want to remove the alarm from the list, simply press and hold on it and then tap on determine, like this. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.